In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add records to a collection variable. We'll build a simple Salesforce flow that creates a record collection, creates a single record variable, and then uses an assignment element to add that record into the collection. First, log into your Salesforce account and head to Setup. Open Advanced Setup so you can access all admin tools, then search for flows and open it. Click New Flow. From the options, choose Auto-Launched Automations. Auto-launched flows run in the background without screens and are perfect for behind-the-scenes logic. Select Auto-Launched Flow, no trigger. This gives you a blank canvas that you can run on demand or call from other automations. Open the toolbox and create a new resource. A resource is anything your flow can reference or store, like variables, constants, and formulas. Choose Variable as the resource type. Give it a clear API. Name you'll recognize later. Set the data type to record. A record variable holds all the fields for a single Salesforce object record. Check. Allow multiple values. Collection. This turns your variable into a list that can store many records of the same type. Choose Account as the object the records belong to, then click Done to save the variable. You now have an account record collection. Create another new resource. Again, pick Variable. Provide an API name for this single record holder. Set the data type to record and choose the account object. Leave multiple values unchecked so it remains a single record variable. Click Done. You now have one collection and one single record variable. Click the plus icon on the canvas to add an element and select Assignment. Assignments let you set or change variable values during the flow, including adding to or removing from collections. Enter a clear label. The API name will fill in automatically. In the assignment row, select your account collection variable and choose the add operator. Add takes whatever value you provide and appends it to the end of the collection. For the value, search for and select your single record variable. That tells the flow to add that record into the collection. Click Save. Provide a flow label. Again, the API name fills in automatically. Save once more to commit your changes. And that's it. You logged in, opened flows, built an auto-launched flow, created a record collection and a single record variable, then used an assignment to add the record to the collection. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.